Hello. Hey, I just want to ask you a question. Do you know why Dracula always keeps his electrosonic toothbrush with him? Well, it's because he doesn't want batty breath. Get it? Batty breath? No, but seriously, I'm here to introduce you to the P11 and the P11 Plus. So, here, without further ado, this is P11. Hi, how are you? I'm P11.
This is P11 Plus. Hello, I am P11 Plus.
So, you have the P11 and the P11 Plus, and they are electrosonic toothbrushes that will offer you the best quality in home oral care. They're going to make your breath fresh, they're going to keep your teeth shiny, and they will keep you from being at that nasty dentist office where he will remove the whole tooth and nothing but the tooth. And no one wants that. So you want to keep your teeth fresh, you want to keep your smile bright, then choose the P11 tonight. So let's start off with our P11 Plus. So the P11 Plus is in this smart, handsome box. All black exterior, nice, beautiful finish, and it sports the new Fairywill logo right up here, P11, and the slogan, Ring the Future, because we at Fairywill are ringing in a whole new, fresh, clean wave that's coming with every sonic vibration. It's going to be gentle on your gums, but it's going to be tough on plaque and knock out all of that bad germs that live inside of your teeth. Ew, yucky. So, on the back of the box, you can see that there are instructions telling you what's inside of the P11 box here, but we don't even need to go over that because we're going to be unboxing this bad boy today. That is super turbo powered with maglev power. What do you mean? What do you mean maglev power? I mean, this has maglev, the same maglev that you know from trains. This is inside of this brush. So when we look inside of the kit right here, we see right here, we see that there is the base for the P11. We see the travel case here, right here in the center. We see 4 toothbrush heads. And when we go even deeper, we go inside, we see that it has a power cord, and the power cord right here is enabled for all USB devices. So you take this power cord and you can plug it into your computer. You can also put an adapter here so you can plug it directly into a wall outlet. And it has this handy dandy little disc, and you might be wondering, what is this for? Well, you plug this in and you can plug in your USB devices. You can plug in your smartphone or any other device that you may have, and you just plug that in along with the USB and you're good to go anywhere you want. So let's go back to the inside and we take out our base. So this is the base right here, and we have our head. We simply slide this down, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you're ready for brushing. Now you're ready for action. So you press one button, turns on, most powerful mode for the deepest quality clean you can get. This is going to get your teeth bright and keep your breath fresh and keep you from having those stressful dentist visits. So you press it once, twice, and this is going to give you your gentle clean, and it's all indicated by the ring lighting system, an innovative system that's only available on the P11. And then you press it a third time, you get a massage mode that is a combination of the deep clean with the gentle clean for gum stimulation and overall gum health. And the ring lighting system here tells you what mode you're in. You can look at the lights and it'll indicate it for you. So we next look into our handy travel case right here. So you see the travel case right here, this highly durable, highly sturdy piece of equipment right here. It's an all black finish. It's beautiful, it's lovely, it's sleek, it fits inside of any backpack, any any travel case, anything you have, you can just slide this in and you're good to go. And you can always keep your teeth white and you can always keep your breath fresh. So all you have to do to put it into the travel case is snap. You snap in the P11 like this, snap it in, and slide. You slide in the base, snap in the brush, slide in the base, and put on the top, and you're ready to go. This is sturdy, solid as a rock. There's nothing that can keep this down. So you put this inside of your bag and you can have so much space. It doesn't take up any extra room. You're going to have a wonderful time being out there, and know that you're always going to have your Fresh Breath tool, oral care companion, with you wherever you go. So let's close this up, and now we're going to pull out the P11. So the P11, as you can see, it has a wonderful, beautiful box, all black finish on the outside, and you see the P11 in all of its glory, in its marvelous design, with its sleek ring, one button press technology design here, and you see P11, ring the future, ring ring. So you also see on the back here that it has the instructions, what's inside of your P11 kit, but we're going to go over all of that in just a second. So let's open her up. So come on, Nelly, let's open up. Here we go. Now we've opened up the P11, and we see that we have a beautiful P11 right here. And inside of our box, we also have our instructions. So we'll put the P11 here. Not saying you're to the side, because you're never to the side, my lovely. I always love you. So right here we have our instructions. They're available in multiple languages to make it easy for everyone to understand, but it's very simple. The P11 is a very straightforward piece of technology. And you have information about Fairywill.com. Now, if you want, you can also join us on Fairywill.com. If you want to find out more information, more tips about your daily oral health care, you can get it there. Now, without further ado, you also have your USB device here. You plug this in, you plug it into your P11 like so. Very simple. You plug this into a USB device, and it's so easy. A caveman could do it, probably not. But if he had electricity, he could probably figure it out. But not really, no. But you'll find that this brush is very easy to use. You can plug it into any of your devices. It makes it easy, it makes it convenient, because you slide on an adapter, you can plug it into the wall. You have your computer, you plug it into any other device. And as with the P11 Plus, it also comes with this disc right here that allows you to also use this to plug in your phone or any other device that you want to charge. So it makes it very convenient, and that's what brushing should be about. It should be about making your life convenient, and bringing you oral health conveniently is Fairywill. So you also get a secondary toothbrush head. This secondary toothbrush head is a replacement. Now, your brush has these little blue bristles right here, and as the blue starts to recede over time, as it disappears, you're going to find that that is an indicator to you that it's time to replace your brush head, and you just reach in here and get your new brush head. And when you run out of brush heads, you just contact us at Fairywill.com, and you can order brand new, freshen your teeth, freshen your breath, brush heads right away. Thank you so much. And I look forward to seeing your bright smiles light up brighter than the sun. So for all of you out there, I hope your future is so bright that you have to wear shades and enjoy your P11s and all the brushing they can do for you. P11, #1, without a doubt.